WWE female wrestler who totally look like AJ Lee and Roxanne Perez. Okay, I know I am not the only one who noticed this. Some WWE women wrestler look alike, like a double take level alike. Let's start with AJ Lee and Roxanne Perez. I mean, come on, the resemblance is insane. The height, the hair, the energy, even the way they move in the ring is kinda similar. It's like AJ Lee had a younger sister who decided to carry on the legacy. Both are underdogs, both have that fearless vibe, and fans love them for that. You look Roxanne and you instantly get AJ Lee flashbacks, and that's not a bad thing at all. Tiffany Stratton and Blake Monroe, the Barbie twins of WWE. Alright, next up we got Tiffany Stratton and Blake Monroe, two blondes, two Barbies, and let's be honest, they both look like the type of girl who actually shower daily, dress like it's fashion week, and never leave the house without highlighter on their cheekbones. Tiffany's got that rich girl gymnastic vibe. Blake, same energy. You put them in the same room and you're like, what? Which one is which? Honestly, it's giving Barbie tag team champions, and I'm not mad at all. Io Sky and Giulia, the Japanese beauties of WWE. Now let's talk about Io Sky and Giulia, two absolute Japanese powerhouse. Yeah, I know the internet joke, all Japanese women look the same, but let's not be lazy here. Io and Giulia, they actually do give off similar energy. Same eyes, same calm but deadly attitude. They move different, but their presence, it's like you don't want to blink when they walk into the ring. The only difference, I think, their hair. Io's got that wild chaotic color storm going on, like she woke up in the Tokyo anime. Giulia all about that sleek, elegant, don't mess with me energy. Both stunning, both killer in the ring. Paige and Tatum Paxley, yeah, they look like, but it's more than that. They both have that same crazy energy. The difference is Paige shows it. She wears dark makeup, cuts wild promos, and walks like she's ready to fight anyone. She's loud about her madness. Tatum Paxley, she hides it. She looks calm, but you can see it in her eyes. She's one bad moment away from snapping. Paige is a chaos you can see. Tatum is chaos waiting to explode. Samantha and JoJo. Alright, Samantha and JoJo. Let's just say if WWE had a curly hair Hall of Fame, these two are already in it. They both got the smooth voice that gives goosebumps before a big match. Like when they say a name, you feel it. Elegant, powerful, and always owning the moment. And look why they could literally pass as sisters. Same glowing skin, same curly vibe, same camera ready smile. But the only real difference, JoJo is tiny, like compared to Samantha. She basically on step stool every time she held that mic. But hey, she made that short queen energy icon. Summer Rae and Solo Ruka. Okay, Summer Rae and Solo Ruka, I am telling you right now, if these two walk past you in real life, you would turn around and say, wait, was that the same person twice? Same face, same long legs, same suffer model energy. They both got that confidence walk, that long blonde hair that flips in slow motion. It's giving I was born for the spotlight. The only real difference, Solo Ruka came with more ink. Summer Rae kept it clean, but Soul got those visible tattoos that scream, I can flip and still break your jaw. Honestly, they could be in a tag team called Copy Paste. Bianca Belair and Kali Armstrong. Now let's talk about Bianca Belair and Kali Armstrong. Man, these two, they don't just look similar, they move the same too. Strong jawlines, athletic builds, those intense eyes, yeah, the bride game, unmatched. Bianca's been EST for a reason, strength, speed, style, and she brings it all. Kali Armstrong, she's like the next generation version loading up. Same bold presence, same fearless energy. Honestly, it's like Bianca Belair reflection showed up in another brand. The only difference right now, Kali still earning her spotlight, but the look, the vibe, the attitude already there. Maxine Dupri and Stacy Caliber. The long-legged legacy continue. Now this one, even Maxine Dupri herself talks about it. Stacey Caliber and Maxine, total blueprint copy. Tall, graceful, legs for days, and that head-turning energy whenever they walk into a room. Stacey ruled the early 2000s with that supermodel meets ring style, and now Maxine bringing the same vibe with a modern twist. And yep, you'll see her talk about it on Instagram too. It's almost like Maxine looked at Stacey and said, yeah, I'll take that energy and level it up for 2025. Mercedes Moné and Zelina Vega. Next up, Mercedes Moné and Zelina Vega. Now career-wise, let's be real, Mercedes is on the whole another level. Multiple time champion, main event history maker, she is a legendary already. But look wise, you pass the screen at the right moment and you might actually mix them up. Both are pretty stylish, always rocking colorful hair, and they carry that don't mess with me energy. Zelina might not have Mercedes legacy yet, but side by side it's giving sisters its important mirror image. Different paths, same fire. Alexa Bliss and Liv Morgan. Okay, we all know the Bella twins are WWE official twins, but let's be honest, Alexa Bliss and Liv Morgan, they might just be the secret twins nobody told us about. Same height, same smile, same energy. Let's not ignore the blonde hair and baby face charm. They have both got that sweet but don't test me vibe. Like they will hug you and hit the dignity in the 5 seconds. Honestly, I'm just saying, maybe Alexa and Liv were actually twins separated at birth and WWE just hasn't written that storyline yet. Someone check the hospital records please. Beth Phoenix and Natalya. Alright, Beth Phoenix and Natalya, they have been best friend, tag team partners and wrestling soulmates for years. But here's the real talk. If you told me Beth Phoenix's daughter grew up and looked exactly like Natalya, I wouldn't even question it. Strong jawlines, flashy eyes, some powerhouse build. They even wrestle like each other. Beth hits like a train and Natty add at the technique, but together they look like family more than just friends. Rhea Ripley and Chyna. Let's wrap this list with legendary matchup Chyna and Rhea Ripley. If there's one woman in the entire era who could walk into the men's locker room and beat everyone down like Chyna did, it's Rhea straight up. She got the build, the power, the attitude, and let's not lie, the present. She doesn't show up, she owns the room. And when she stands face to face with male superstars, it's not a gimmick, it's believable. Chyna did it first, Rhea's doing right now. Different time, same fearless domination. So yeah, WWE might not admit it, but we got a lot of lookalikes running wild. Some could pass as twins, some feel like they're cut from the same cloth, and some they're carrying on the legacy of legends without even trying. Got more names I missed? Drop them in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Until then, keep watching, keep comparing, and maybe one day WWE will finally admit some of these were more than just a coincidence.
Visit our website Express Daily Hub for WWE related content. You can find website link in the description.